Meet horsetail, an ancient plant that's been around for millions of years. This remarkable plant dates back to the time of the dinosaurs, thriving in a world that was vastly different from our own. But this prehistoric survivor isn't just a relic of the past. It has some fascinating modern uses too. Horsetail, also known as equisetum, is a unique plant with a rich history. Its jointed stems and brush-like appearance make it easily recognizable. In ancient times, horsetail was used by various cultures for its medicinal properties. It was believed to help with kidney and bladder issues, and even to stop bleeding. Today, horsetail continues to be valued for its health benefits. It's rich in silica, which is essential for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Additionally, horsetail is used in herbal remedies and supplements to support bone health and improve joint function. So, while horsetail may look like a simple plant, it holds a wealth of history and benefits that continue to be relevant in our modern world. Packed with silica, horsetail is a natural powerhouse for promoting healthy hair, skin, and nails. This same silica also supports strong bones, making it a key player in herbal medicine. Horsetail, a plant that has been around since the time of the dinosaurs, is often overlooked in modern times. However, its benefits are numerous and well documented. The high silica content in horsetail helps to strengthen hair strands, reduce breakage, and add a natural shine. For the skin, it can help to improve elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, giving a more youthful look. Nails also benefit from horsetail, becoming stronger and less prone to splitting. Beyond beauty, horsetail's silica content is crucial for bone health, aiding in the repair and maintenance of bone tissue. This makes it an invaluable herb for those looking to support their overall health naturally. Incorporating horsetail into your daily routine can be as simple as taking a supplement or brewing a tea. Horsetail, a plant that has been used for centuries, is renowned for its diuretic properties. This means it helps the body eliminate excess fluids by increasing urine production. As a diuretic, horsetail is used to support kidney and bladder health, flushing toxins from the body. This natural remedy is particularly beneficial for those suffering from urinary tract infections or kidney stones, as it helps to cleanse the urinary system. In traditional medicine, it's trusted to speed up recovery from wounds and skin conditions. The silica content in horsetail is believed to promote the healing of bones, skin, and connective tissues. Herbalists often recommend horsetail tea for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can aid in reducing swelling and improving overall skin health. Whether used as a tea, tincture, or supplement, horsetail continues to be a valuable plant in natural medicine, offering a range of health benefits that have stood the test of time. But horsetail doesn't just heal the body. Its ability to absorb heavy metals makes it a natural tool for detoxifying soil, helping to clean up polluted environments. And if that wasn't enough, horsetail is also used in organic fertilizers, providing plants with essential nutrients like potassium and silica. From ancient remedies to modern solutions, horsetail continues to show its strength, a small plant with big benefits. Subscribe to learn more about nature's hidden wonders.